So proof is always in the pudding in terms of process. And so do you have any success stories you could share briefly with our listeners? Like what's come out of the studio that you're proud of?
Yeah, the first partner that came through was Dentons, the world's largest law firm. And everything we heard back from them was process automation, right? But it's all about what is something that exists today that I can use AI to replace. And there's sort of two problems with that. The first is it thinks about AI backwards. It thinks about AI as an opportunity to cut costs, which is an okay place to start, I guess, conceptually, but it dramatically underplays the opportunity that AI really creates. Right? And the second problem, of course, is when you're talking about automating processes that exist today, is you're talking about putting a lot of people out of work. And one of our core values is that we believe the future is human-centric. So we don't create companies that replace human beings. We create companies that empower and enable human beings. That was just the first bit of the conversation. Then we spent months doing workshops, interviews, surveys. We attended their North American AI Summit with, I think, 600 of their clients from all over North America and beyond, and heard not just what are the things that a lawyer might need to do their job better, but more, what are the problems that their clients have that we might be able to solve with technology? So as a quick example, one of the things we heard over and over and over again at that AI Summit is everyone's terrified of GDPR, right, European privacy laws. And all the conversation at a lawyer summit was about how do I limit liability? How do I not have to pay fines, right? It's all about how do I put policies in place to protect me? But as an AI person, I'm hearing this, I'm thinking, geez, fundamentally, you're worried about this problem because your database is stupid. It will just record anything and it could leak anything. So could we replace the data layer in the database with a technology that enforces the actual privacy policies themselves? So now you don't have to worry about telling someone in a call center not to report something. If they try to report something that violates the policy, it just won't get recorded. So Dentons recognizes that 5 years from now, it's unlikely that we will charge by the hour for their lawyers' time. So the startups we create with our partners are not just startups that our partners themselves will be customers of. We look at it as creating the startup that 5 years from now will buy the partner because they will have taken over the marketplace and transformed the business model. So that's one quick example.